Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make Black Cherry Swirl Fudge. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. I've got another fudge recipe for you tonight, and this one features the sweet and fruity flavor of black cherries. It's super quick and super easy, and I think it's going to be super tasty. Let's find out. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own black cherry swirl fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 1/2 cup of butter cut into small pieces, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of white chocolate chips, 1½ cups of marshmallow cream, and 1½ envelopes of unsweetened Black Cherry Kool-Aid. I'm also using an 8x8 baking pan, some parchment, a couple of bowls, and a spatula. Okay, let's make some candy. Line an 8x8 pan with parchment paper and set it aside. In a large microwave-safe bowl, combine the butter, sugar, and cream. Microwave the mixture on high for 2 minutes. If your microwave is something other than 1200 watts, this time may vary. Give it a good stir. Microwave it for another 2 minutes. Stir the mixture until the sugar is completely dissolved. This could take a few minutes. Return it to the microwave and cook it on high for another minute. Stir in the white chocolate chips and marshmallow cream until smooth. Reserve about a 1/2 cup of this mixture. Quickly mix the Kool-Aid into the remaining fudge mixture, ensuring everything is well incorporated. Pour the cherry-flavored fudge into the prepared pan. Drizzle the reserved white fudge over the top and gently swirl it with a knife for a marbled effect. Place the fudge in the refrigerator for 2 hours or until fully set. Remove the fudge from the fridge and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte. Wow, this is way better than I thought it would be. It's sweet and fruity as I expected, but the flavor has a brightness that really caught me by surprise. This is absolutely delightful. If you're looking to make a different kind of fudge, you really ought to try these.